Morning, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question, question number 79. And the instruction here says, choose the word that is the most suitable to fill the numbered gaps in the passage. And the passage is from a topic called register under what we call transportation. And here we are looking at road transportation. And the question, and this passage is used to answer 71 to 80. So, and 79 say they are ignorant of what speed dash means. They are ignorant of what speed dash means. So in question number 78 we talk about most of that 78 says that consequently they have no knowledge of road rules. So because they don't have the knowledge of road rules now, so they are ignorant of dash speed mean. That is what speed means. Then option A says distance, option B say control, option C say mileage, option D say limit. So since they were able to complete their training from the driving school, they will not know what it means by speed limit. So they are ignorant of what speed limit is, not distance, not control, not mileage. Because when we talk of speed limit, because if you look at the speedometer by the vehicle, you say something like 30, you say 70, you say 100, you say 120, and so on and so forth. So it is always good to have the knowledge of what speed limit, that the limit I can go or speed on this road or express and so on and so forth is very good. So speed limit is the correct answer. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more for our videos.